Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to convert an Excel file into PDF. Pretty much the process, the first thing I'd like you to do is to open your Excel application, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find Excel? You can find Excel on or in Microsoft Store. So all you need to do is to launch your Microsoft Store. Once you do that, go ahead and search for Excel and follow through with the on-screen prompt to download Excel. Now, after downloading Excel, it's going to take you right into this homepage of Excel, where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. So now right here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to convert an Excel file into PDF. So this is a file that I have. This is a sheet that I have that I'm working on. Let's say I want to transfer this into a PDF. Here's exactly what I can do. So from the home page, all right, so from this screen, I'm just gonna have to head over to my file tab. So check the top right corner here. You have the file, home, insert, draw, page layout, all the way down to help. So go ahead and click on file. So now that you've clicked on file, the next thing you're going to do is to select save as. So here you have new, open, save as, print, and down to options. So go ahead and click on save as. Now that you've clicked on save as, go ahead and select the folder that you want this to be saved in. So let's say I want to save it in documents. So just go ahead and click on documents, and it's going to take you right into this window. Now this is Chief Thoughts Work, and that's my file name, and I want to change this into a PDF. I want to save this as a PDF. Here we have save as file type, so just going to click on that drop down menu, and I'm going to look for PDF. You have this Excel macro enabled workbook, and you have down to Excel 97. Just right below it you have the PDF option, so just select PDF, and now it says standard publishing or minimum size, that's publishing online, and you have the offline file after publishing. So let's say I want to set it to standard publishing, and once you do that, go ahead and click on save. And once you click on save, you see that this document will be saved and downloaded as a PDF. So I said, oh, awesome. So this is the PDF already displaying in here. And if you check the top corner, you have this PDF. So it is now a PDF document, and this is what is in my sheet. That's the 3-page kind of thing. So I'm just going to go all the way back, and that's just pretty much it. So this is how you can convert an Excel file into PDF. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.